create a business profile on Google.
The Presidential Election Petition Court has ordered the consolidation of the 3 surviving petitions pending before it. The 5-man panel of justices led by Justice Haruna Simon Salani gave the order while present to the court's pre-hearing session. Reports, Daily Attribute reports.
So sign in your email. Choose the business email.
During the hearing session, 2 petitions were withdrawn by the petitioners and subsequently struck out by the Presidential Election Petition Court sitting in Abuja.
Manage now. Tap manage now.
Were not averse to the consolidation of the petitions before the court.
Sadly,
all respondents except the electoral umpire
put your business name, which is sadly.
In its ruling, the Presidential Election Petition Court ordered
Collect
the remaining petitions should be consolidated
Sean.
by law. The order of the court in respect of consolidation of petitions is in line with
Sadly collections.
The court also ordered that hearing of the main petitions will commence on Tuesday, 30th May 2023. Hearing session has been speedily
Business category.
by the court. It was done within record time.
Drop.
Now we are going into the proper hearing. And also, in order to make
Drop
sure
shipping.
that matters are fast-tracked,
Type in
the
your
court has also consolidated
business category and
to position from some quarters. Now we can all hear this matter.
just or you put vendor.
The court has a discretion to reduce the hearing, the period of hearing as presented.
Check boutique. Next. Tap next. You want to add the location your visitors can see, and you say yes. In this case, I'm saying yes.
That will not be in our own interest. So what you have to do is to do case management. This report brings to
Alright, choose your country here. Street. Choose. Put your business street.
10 Jack Rich have set out to celebrate Dr. Elizabeth Jack Rich as she clocked 30 on Thursday, May 18th. The All Progressives Congress frontline presidential aspirant, extolling the virtues of his wife in a special birthday message, said his wife's birthday celebration would be a unity and peace advocacy event and an instrument to gather Nigerians in leadership.
Put your local government or your business area. Put your city. Kaduna. Postal code. Put within the range of 6 numbers. Choose your state. Think Kaduna. Then next. Say yes. Optional. This one is optional. Put your business number. 7276. Put your business website. Or you say you don't have, and say next. You say yes. So is preferable. You put amount and recommendation for your business on Google. And verify later. For now, I'm verifying later.
We go beyond the screaming headlines to
and you put hours and here you can add your business hours and other your business hours and days. Well, I'm skipping it. Next, your customers can message you. Put your description. Boutique business for startup. In Nigeria. Next, put your business images. But I like to add your business images. Can tap this